In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create citations in Zotero. If you write research papers, reports, or articles, getting citations right can save you time and help you stay consistent. We'll work inside Microsoft Word using the Zotero plugin, and I'll walk you through selecting a citation style and inserting a reference from your library using search or a direct selection. Start by opening your Word document and placing your cursor exactly where you want the citation to appear. This helps Zotero know where to insert the reference. With your cursor in place, go to the ribbon at the top of Word and click the Zotero tab. That opens the set of tools you'll use to manage citations in your document. Next, click Add Edit Citation. The first time you do this in a document, Zotero may ask you to choose a citation style. This is where you decide how your references will look, whether that's an author date format, a numbered style, or something more specific like APA, MLA, or Chicago. Pick the style your instructor, publisher, or organization requires. Don't worry if you're not sure yet. You can switch styles later and Zotero will reformat your citations automatically. Once you've selected a style, choose OK to confirm. You'll now see the Zotero citation dialog. This is your search box for quickly finding items from your Zotero library. Type a few letters of an author's name, a keyword from the title, or even a year to narrow it down. As you type, Zotero will suggest matching items. Select the correct source from the suggestions to prepare it for insertion. If you prefer to browse rather than search, you can switch to the library view and navigate through your collections to find the exact item you want. This is handy when you know where the reference is stored or when there are multiple similar entries. After you've selected the right item in your library, click Accept. Zotero will insert the citation right where your cursor was in the document. That's the core workflow. Open your document, go to the Zotero tab, choose Add Edit Citation, pick your citation style, confirm with OK, find your source by searching or by selecting it from your library, and click Accept to insert it. If you're working on a long document, it's a good habit to insert citations as you write so you don't miss any sources later. And remember, consistency matters. Use the same style throughout the document to avoid formatting issues. You're all set to create clear, accurate citations with Zotero inside Word. Thanks for watching and happy writing.